So all right. Um, okay, so we have 6 minutes left. Okay, so I will close this. Next, we'll see the again the Spark SQL. We'll actually try to express our logic in terms of SQL queries. Okay, so we'll start with the okay. No, before that, the data frame itself, we'll see how to perform joins. Okay, this one join is there. This we covered. Yeah, nothing that. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are going to take they are going to perform join operation. How to perform a join operation in a data frame. So when you want to perform join operation, basically, uh, you need at least two data frame. For Cartesian product, we don't need. Basically, for other joins types, we need at least two data frames. So what I'm considering is a one is employee records. So I'm just creating a data frame, employee data frame with 10 records. So we can create a data frame programmatically, which I discussed yesterday. So you can just create a JSON. You can represent your employee record as a JSON object, and which is a dictionary in Python. So create a dictionary and have a list of dictionaries. So you can just keep adding your individual employee records to this list. Employee record as a dictionary object into this list. So keep adding the multiple records. So finally, you can create a Spark dot create data frame. And the Spark session dot create data frame, and if you pass the list of dictionary object, it will give you the data frame. So this is how the data employee data frame looks like that. So we have employee ID, name, salary, and we have city and the department ID. This typical uh, employee record set data set, and we have a department data set. So we make it as very simple. So we have a department ID and department name and these two columns. So this is going to act as a foreign key. This employee in employee data frame, the department ID is going to act as a foreign key. So we can make those two are the join columns to make a joins. So this is the department data frame, how it look like. And now once we have this, so this is city column. Okay, city name, department, okay, salary column. If you want to just testing here. Okay, if you want to perform a union, right? Okay, so why I created here is just to union. If you want to perform a union operation, so this is for just a select operation. If you want to limit your number of columns, you can just go and remove few columns. Here, why it is not showing in file? Let me run this. Okay, we have 1 minute left. We'll stop this session and we'll come back. Please use the same link and join. We'll come back and follow this data frame operations.